right, ready?
You. I'm doing stuff with the goat.
No, you're not.
Grab that goat.
Grab the goat. Come on, Jonathan.
Be a man.
Jonathan, the goat. Grab the goat. Grab it, Elia.
I got one.
That's what we wanted. Stick it in the hole.
Stick it in the hole. That's all right. They cry like a baby. We still hold on to them. You got 5 sisters and brother. Come on, come on. Come on, push, nudge. There we go.
I got this.
Come on, Jonathan. Come on. Emery did it. What? Come here, guys. Watch out. Watch out. She's trying to take a video. There you go. Just put them back. Don't
Nope.
no.
Get his head in. There you go.
Good job.
Kind of surprising. These moms are a little more concerned than I thought they would be with these kids stationed.
You talking about my wife or? Okay, yeah, I know.
You kitty eat me.
Oh, they're meat goats or Spanish goats.
All right, good job.
Good job, guys.